Hi, I'm Anastasia Martynovich, and I'm a product manager at Turvo. At Turvo, we often say that logistics is a team sport. And to move goods from one place to another, you need to work with lots of different people, both inside and outside of your organization. In other words, the supply chain isn't really a chain. It's a network of teams, people, and companies who all need to collaborate to make things move. Unfortunately, most of the tools and processes that have been around don't make collaboration easier. In fact, a lot of them make it harder. Information gets stuck in computer systems that don't talk to each other. And as you might have experienced, that creates delays and costs and a bad customer experience. We saw that there's a better way to work, and that's why we made the world's leading collaboration application, designed specifically for the supply chain. The Turvo Collaboration Cloud connects and indexes your entire supply chain, which means that everyone, shippers, brokers, 3PLs, warehousers, carriers, can work together as one team. That kind of collaboration means that you can provide an exceptional customer experience. And that's what we've seen from our industry leader customers like Lineage Logistics and Ryder Systems. So now I'll take a few minutes to show you how the Turvo Collaboration Cloud works and how you can use it to connect your entire supply chain. So this is Turvo. The Turvo Collaboration Cloud unifies the people, systems, and processes across your supply chain. So the first thing you do when getting started on Turvo is connect all your siloed systems using our self-service integrations. And that way all your TMS, WMS, OMS, and all your other data can appear in Turvo in one place. So now that your data is connected and indexed, it's easy to find anything you might need. You can search for anything in Turvo's global search, like a name or an ID, and instantly we'll find the shipment or order, inventory, or any master data that you're looking for. And you don't have to be in Turvo alone. You can invite your supply chain partners to get their own Turvo tenant and collaborate with you on Turvo. So when you share data with them, it's like you're working from a single source system, and they get all the same features as what you're seeing here. So this way, your partners are empowered to get information quickly and securely, and they can make better decisions without ever having to email or call you. So what kinds of things can you share with your partners? Well, of course, we have shipment tracking and shipment statuses, documents, and all things shipment related. But at Turvo, we talk about visibility 2.0. And that means Turvo offers visibility beyond the shipment into orders and inventory, even when there's not a related shipment available. So if you're a third-party warehouser, you can give your customers visibility into their inventory from your WMS. So let's pretend I'm a shipper, Chuck's Chicken, and I store my chicken in third-party warehouses. But since each warehouse is on a different WMS and there's no sync with my source systems, I never know exactly how much chicken I actually have or what is the status of any related orders or shipments. So now my warehouser has signed up with Turvo and has synced all their WMSs and TMS into Turvo and invited me to collaborate. So they've shared my inventory and order and shipment data, and now I have everything I need to make decisions and be proactive and even resolve problems as they come up. So let's say, for example, I, as Chuck's Chicken, get an order from Walmart for 500 cases of chicken wings. Now, instead of forwarding that onto my warehouser, I can be proactive to make sure I have enough inventory to get that order filled. So first thing I could do is search for the chicken wings in global search, and I'd instantly see if there's any orders already carrying those chicken wings, or if there's one maybe already created for Walmart. Or I could filter down to the chicken wings in my inventory list view. So I know usually I'd fill this Walmart order from the Atlantic DC, but it doesn't look like there's enough inventory available there for the 500 cases. Well, now I can at a glance see how much inventory is available at all my other warehouses. I don't have to log into multiple systems to do that. So if I'm not pulling from a different warehouse, I can actually click into the inventory record and see a detailed breakdown of exactly what kind of inventory is available. I can even check which orders are bringing my chicken wings in and out of this warehouse. So maybe there's a lower priority order, or maybe there's enough expected inventory coming in. In this case, it looks like I'm out of luck, but I still have one more trick up my sleeve. I can actually check if there's any holds blocking my inventory from going out. And if a hold isn't needed anymore, I can release it right here in Turvo, and my warehouser's WMS will be automatically updated. So without a single phone call or email, I got all the information I needed about my inventory before a shortage ever arose, and I was able to resolve it all right here in Turvo. And now let's keep the collaboration going. So I can actually create an order right here in Turvo to take those goods from the warehouse to Walmart. And I can share that order with my warehouser, broker, carrier, Walmart themselves, or anyone else involved in moving my chicken. If my partners are on Turvo, they can even plan the order into shipments, which is what I'm just briefly showing you here. They can even share the shipment tracking with me. So they can do that through Turvo, or they can send me a tracking link. And they can even report any exceptions as they come up, and we'll collaborate in real time directly in Turvo to get those exceptions resolved. And this is just the tip of the iceberg for Turvo's collaboration suite. There are so many awesome features that are possible when your data is unified and shared in Turvo, like reporting and analytics, AI-based exception workflows, in-context messenger, carrier appointment scheduling, carrier offers and booking. So please reach out to me or anyone else on the team, and we'd love to hear about your use cases and see how we can help. Thank you so much for taking a look at Turvo.